Social Media Analytics, an overview of applications and approaches. The paper is written by Zainab and Naseh and presentation by Fardeen. So let's start with abstract. So users' activities on social media generate useful and valuable information about the general public that can be used in policy making and the decision making process. So in this paper, we'll review about the social media analysis approaches and its application areas. So the primary focus is on the role of social media data in extracting, tracking, and evaluating general public activities, public opinions, and public behavior. We look at several applications areas including disaster, urban planning, public health, politics, business, and marketing. The frequently used approaches in these areas are topic analysis, sentiment analysis, social network analysis, spatial and temporal analysis. Introduction. So let's start by understanding the role played by the social media. So through social media platforms, people share their ideas, thoughts, feelings, pictures, and videos about different subjects and people they interact with. So people's social media activities generate valuable data that can be used to discover users' behaviors, thoughts, emotions, and interactions. The process of gathering data from social media and analyzing them to help decision makers address specific problems is called social media analytics. The social media data can be considered as a source for data-driven research. This will help gain information about the general public and apply the information to improve the quality of decisions and policies related to that general public issues and business goals. So this paper aims to identify areas of application of social media analysis related to real-world issues and events, and to identify the most used analysis approaches in these areas. Research methodology. So according to the goals stated in the introduction section, we will try to answer the following questions. Question 1. What are the application areas of social media user-generated data analytics in the real world? And question 2, what approaches have been used more often to learn about this public data? Social media data analysis, the area of applications. So there are research areas such as political science, psychology studies, and human behavior mining studies, and many others that employ social media analysis, urban planning studies. So this section discusses the identified research area to answer the first question. So the area of applications include disaster studies. So disaster studies use social media data to learn about the human emotions towards disasters, to track human emotions and behavior over disaster times, and to understand the group behavior and to track disaster situations and trends during a disaster. Urban planning studies. So social media geotag data have been used in some urban planning studies to gain information on tracking human activities, determining the distribution of human dynamics, and investigating transportation behavior, determining urban land. Public health studies. So social media data can be applied to track and monitor disease pandemics, track and detect infectious disease, identify and track adverse drug reactions, and analyze people's behavior to gain information about their mental health. Political studies. By investigating political studies through social media data, we found that most of the studies are about mining people's opinions related to political issues or track public opinions, detecting political polarization, tracking political elections and political events, and also predicting political events such as election results. Marketing studies. So marketers analyze social media data to detect customers and make advertising, to seek ways to do marketing about their products and to understand the user's view about the products. Business studies. So business analysts can apply social media data for business exploration to get information about the products, gain knowledge about corporate, evaluate the quality of services, and compare the services provided by different companies and businesses. So now we come upon our next topic, social media analysis approaches. So considering that we mainly focus on the text as a user-generated data, we chose five social media analysis approaches to answer the question two of this study. So these approaches can help to extract valuable knowledge from social media data to learn about the public. First one is topic modeling or topic analysis. So, monitoring human behavior and human opinion, tracking different topics and events on social media, and detecting topical trends on social media provide useful information for various research areas such as political studies, public health research, and disaster management. So, topic modeling is one of the approaches that can be used to perform the above tasks. Sentiment analysis. So, sentiment analysis is another helpful analytical approach in social media data analysis that helps to convert user generated data to useful information. The sentiment analysis method performs the classification task. It aims to detect and interpret people's opinions, emotions, and attitudes towards any particular topic by classifying the input data into positive, negative, or neutral sentiments. Social network analysis. So the social network analysis represents the users and actors as nodes. It shows connections and interactions as edges, and it studies the structure of these nodes and their links based on social network theory. Spatial and temporal analysis. So the spatial and temporal analysis study the user's data to extract spatial and temporal information and features of the data. So this analysis can reveal the temporal pattern and geographical information of the data. Conclusion. So, in this presentation, we discussed the social media analysis role in discovering the information about the general public to improve decision making for real world issues. And this study focused primarily on the user generated data and network structure as a data because of their abilities to reveal information about the general public, which is used in decision making and planning for real world problems. Applying a proper mix of these approaches for each of these application areas can provide a powerful tool to achieve meaningful information and knowledge about the public for a target application. And here are some of the references mentioned in the research paper. Thank you.